Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're in the DeFi wallet for crypto.com and we're going to be looking at the CRO coin. Now, CRO coin's been going up, so this is good. Looks like the account's getting more normalized to where it was. We're still not there yet, but what we're doing now is we're going to reclaim to stake these rewards so we can earn interest on top of interest. Compounding interest. So that's a good thing, if you guys weren't aware. So when your money makes money, that's the best way to go. Alright, so let's go check that out. Make sure it took. And we can do it again down here. It's not really worth it as much, but hey, it's free. So almost free. So I'm not gonna bother here. Request submitted. Okay, great. So you can see we're earning interest. We've reclaimed the CRO into our account, and our interest is now earning interest. It's compounding. Go check out my compounding video if you guys want. But CRO is going to be going here to $1. Hopefully by the end of the year, Bitcoin goes back up again. Everything seems to be leveraged off Bitcoin, so CRO is on the way up, along with Bitcoin. To the moon! Alright guys, be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.